This is the Llano magnetic neck mount, suitable for most GoPro, DJI Osmo Action, and many other action cameras. It has an adjustable chest strap and is so easy to use and great for POV vlogging. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. Got a little diagram of everything you've got and the installation and usage. Not even gonna look at that, we're just gonna see how intuitive this is to use. Very interesting. So this is the neck holder. It's a soft, smooth silicone. No padding, just very slim, streamlined. Then down here, that's gonna snap in after you have it on. This is all like really flexible. Just stays however you shape it. Back here, again, not padded, but can you tell this is kind of soft and squishy? This is smooth silicone as well back here. Here is the front, cute little smiley face here. So you're gonna mount your camera, your DJI or your GoPro, you're gonna mount it on here, and then this goes in here. It's magnetic. So it just sits there and then you twist. Did you hear the snap? It locks into place. And now it's completely locked in. You can't get that out until you squeeze. That unlocks it, then you gotta twist it back down and then you can pull it out. The right button specifically detaches the left neck part. And then the left button is what's gonna detach your attachment. So then that's gonna be this button over here. Boom. But if you forget, it's not a big deal. Honestly, I just squeeze both and then so secure and easy to use. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna mount my DJI Osmo Action 4 onto here. So you just twist this out, feed that in the middle, make sure it lines up, and then you screw this in. If you have it lined up right, it's gonna go right through, and then you just twist until it's tight. Now, this is going to be adjustable, right? Squeezies on the side, unlock here and here. All right, so it's very lightweight, and then, oh, that is amazing. I've worn some neck harnesses that didn't have the adjustability, and I didn't realize until this exact moment why it's adjustable, because not everyone has the same shape here. So you can mount it to fit you like perfectly. All right, we're locked and loaded, guys. Oh my gosh. It can adjust, but it's not a loose adjustment, like it's gonna stay wherever you put it. It's not gonna let you have it up far, and it's too short. Like you really can't do a selfie, not really, but you can definitely do point of view. So it's gonna be a little lower than your face, obviously, but you can film like straight out. You can have it going down to film the trail or the handlebars. You can have it filming upwards, like that way maybe. So cool. And then when you wanna get it out, you just squeeze here, you twist it, pull it out, and it's off. And then again. This is amazing. And then it also has a lanyard. If you're just like casually walking or like randomly wanting to film, you can use it just like this. But if you're running or doing anything kind of with a lot of movement, you're gonna wanna add this to it. It feeds through these slots here. These do come detached, just squeeze in here and pull that. So that is how you're going to get the second one attached. So just goes through and then feed that through the loop. None of the other videos show you exactly how to do this, so I thought I would. Now you are detached here on the one side, so this is gonna go down, around, and back up, and then reattach that. Snaps right in, and then you can go around on the back and just like adjust it so that it's nice and snug. This is an amazing set. If you have a DJI Osmo, if you have a GoPro or any kind of action camera, if it works in this way, it's gonna work with this. I'm so excited to add this to my camera gear collection. This is amazing. I love it, and I know you will too.